In this video, we'll be talking about kinetic energy, gravitational potential energy, and the law of conservation of energy, which is energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can just change forms. So if you watch this pie chart that's going on here at the top, notice that the gravitational potential energy and the kinetic energy is constantly changing. I have this on slow motion right now. Notice where the potential energy is the highest is when the person is at the highest height. GPE equals mass times gravity, little g times h. If you notice where the person is going the fastest is at the very bottom of the ramp. That is the equation KE equals 1/2 mass times velocity squared. So at the very bottom of the ramp, the kinetic energy is the highest. So this is just showing you that the energy is changing forms as it's going down and up the ramp. So this is proof that the law of conservation of energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It just changes forms. It's changing from kinetic energy to gravitational potential energy. But in the real world, you know that this does not happen. This person does not go back and forth forever. Well, and the rationale behind that is because we have the thermal energy, the friction, the thermal energy turned off. So if we turn that on, so right now the thermal energy is turned on. Notice that the bar graph is getting bigger and bigger because we're losing energy to heat, friction, or thermal energy. And this is what happens in the real world. This is why you slow down eventually, because of the friction, the heat, the thermal energy that is lost. The red pie is getting bigger and bigger, and that is the thermal energy. Notice the total energy is going to stay the same. Eventually, when this person stops moving completely, when the velocity is zero, the speed is zero, the thermal energy will be equal to the total. But right now, it's just going back and forth between kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy.